What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're testing the 0 to 60 time on this Toyota Tacoma while it's still stock because, well, sooner than we know, it won't be stock anymore. 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4 in the double cab configuration. Now, we're not carrying much weight. No, we're actually not carrying any weight. Completely stock. Of course, we do got a bed cover. Shout out to Yita Moto if you're interested, link down below. We're gonna be testing it out because, again, like I just stated, we're gonna be modifying, lifting it, and I wanna get a baseline versus once we're lifted and all that fancy schmancy stuff. This is a very popular and very demanded video, so leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. That's all you gotta do. It's free, by the way, it's free, and I would much appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, we're already on the road, just like that. In the blink of an eye, I'm dragging this along more than I should. I know we all just want to see the truck go 0 to 60 as fast as it possibly can, but it's my baby. I feel kind of guilty doing it to my truck. So forgive me as I feel as though I am sinning. So of course we're gonna do a couple of tests. 0 to 60 with just standard, just you picked up the truck and you're going. 0 to 60 without traction, 0 to 60 without traction and ETC mode, 0 to 60 with ETC mode and traction on, and I think that should be it. We're gonna get onto this straightaway here and we're gonna punch it. Sometimes I have to say 60 just because it doesn't want to focus on, you know, the speedometer. It likes to focus on something completely random. So yeah, 0 to 60 time. I don't know how fast that was. That was our baseline. We'll go ahead and turn off the traction control completely. If you don't know, if you just press this button, it'll say like the LSD is off, but if you press and hold, it turns everything off. If you're ready or not, here we come. 0 to 60 time, no traction on. Letting go of the brake. Let's go. That time felt very, very fast. I will not lie. That felt good. Tacoma, hello, how are ya? Seems as though you came to play, Tacoma. Full disclaimer, I am in Mexico, so do not try this in the United States of America, as I would never, ever do this in America because it is unsafe. Yes, that's why. Oh, buddy boy, you are creeping up on me. Right or left? Right or left? We'll go left. So we've done 0 to 60 with traction control on, then we turn traction control off. Now we're gonna do 0 to 60 with traction control off, as well as our ETC enabled. Yeah, electronically controlled transmission engaged. Whoa, the horsepowers are kicking in. Not really. I honestly feel as though I maybe need some like racing gloves, something a little bit grippier, because once the horsepower kicks in on this bad boy, I mean, it honestly feels like we might start not going straight, but up into the air. I will be completely honest, usually Sandy is in the car with me and she tells me how annoying I am. So me being in the car by myself, talking to myself, I'm starting to realize, well, I don't want to say it, but you know. So this is traction control off, ETC on, 0 to 60 time in the Toyota Tacoma SR5 with the Incy Wincy 245s. Let's go. Oh Lord, that was 6,000 RPMs. Jeez Louise. And that's 6. We're not in a Porsche or anything, but I gotta tell you, that feels, that's a good feeling. I don't know why people like to see it without traction control. If we were in like a fast vehicle, something exotic, something crazy fast that you could just light up the tires, I understand. You know, like a Hellcat, a Prius, something crazy, I understand. But in the Tacoma, well, I think I could put my foot through the floor and I wouldn't chirp up the wheels, unless it was like wet or something, but that's not really fair. Alrighty, so this is a 0 to 60 time on a stock Toyota Tacoma with nothing on except for just the ETC power button. There's a car coming, so we gotta skedaddle. That was 5,000, so it shifted a little bit earlier. 6. So that's it. I absolutely have no idea what the times look like on that. I hope you guys saw the times, enjoyed the times. Let me know, do you beat those times? I know there's gonna be someone in the comments saying, oh, it sounds like it's short shifting. Yeah, probably because I don't have my foot through the floor. I'm accelerating to the point where I feel like if someone was in an emergency would accelerate. Of course, I don't think it's very safe for the truck. 5,000 miles, hasn't even had its first oil change, for me to slam absolutely on the gas. Now, I will be doing this test again once I have my 285s because, well, I don't really see too many of that, and I feel like a lot of people will see the biggest difference there because everyone wants to know if it's sluggish, if it's slow, if it tests out to 0 to 60 times, and you know, we'll be able to understand how bad lifting your truck actually is. It definitely takes a little while for the engine to like wake up, it feels like, but of course that's with any naturally aspirated engine. It's gonna take some time. Once you start reaching those higher RPMs, you'll literally feels like you can feel the Tacoma, especially being rear wheel drive, you can feel the Tacoma like grab you from your lower back and just like, not the motion I wanted to come out. So let's go down to 40 miles per hour. I'll put the foot down kind of like just casually. So we're at 40, just trying to get up. It dropped down 2,000 RPMs and we're at 45, okay? So I'm gonna do that again and I'm gonna see if I do it aggressively, how high it drops or how far it drops. So we're at 40. Yeah, so that went up to 4,500 and we're at 500 miles an hour. But with all that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy, I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Oh no, we're coming up on a twisty. Yes, sir. This Tundra in front of me is looking mighty girthy.